I welcome you all for the video lecture on final keyword. Final keyword in Java is used to restrict the access. The Java final keyword can be used in many contexts. Final can be variable, method, class. When we declare a variable as final, then it stops changing the value for the variable. When a method is declared final, it cannot be overridden. When a class is declared as final, then it cannot be inherited. If a variable is declared with the final keyword, its value cannot be changed once initialized. If it is not declared but not at initialized, if it is declared, if a variable is declared but it is not initialized with any values, it is called a blank final variable. Look at the example. We have int x is equal to 10, which is final, and class final variable public static void main the main function. Final int x is equal to 10. X plus plus system dot out dot println x. Here x cannot be changed, so it will print 10. Look at another example where I'm having the double pi is equal to 3.14 is a final variable, and in class example I'm having a method example class example 1, another class which has the main statement of Java. Under that I'm creating an object for the class example. But you need to understand one thing is that when I am using final to the variable, the value of pi will not get changed by the input value of 5. Yes, final method declared with the final keyword cannot be overridden or hidden by subclasses. Here I am making a final method declared as final. Under that I am giving a printing statement can't be overridden. Another class B is inheriting the class A by the keyword extends. Final method is the method which has this is derived. Here, generally, if we have not declared final method as final, then this is derived will be overridden. Can't be overridden will be deleted, and this is derived will be printed. But when it is final, then we cannot change the method can't be overridden will be printed. I'm creating two objects, A object for class A and B object for class B. Both will print, can't be overwritten. When I declare a class as final, it cannot be inherited or it cannot be extended by another class. Look at the example class A, which is final class, which is declared as final by the keyword final. It has a method, final method, which prints this is final class cannot be inherited. Class B is another class which is inheriting class A, and I am having a final method here printing this is derived. I am having a main function and I am creating an object for class A and I am creating an object B for class B. Here what will happen is that the class B will not could not inherit the methods and members of class A. So it will result in the output as this final method object A will call this and prints this. And what I'm doing here is I'm creating an object B for class B, yes, which is the final method. This will print this is derived. Thus, we come to the end of the today's session, and I hope you enjoyed the video lecture. Let us meet in another video. Thank you all.